Hi everyone, today we are going to make a video about iPad 9 screen cracked, and this device is very damaged. If you see here, the screen is cracked in all ways, and we put a tape here, a tape there, tape here, and tape around the top for keep when we try to open, the glasses will not coming aside. Okay, let's start with this repair step by step how to replace the screen. Okay, first of all we need to apply the heating, like the hot heat here on the side, and we have these tools to try to take out the glass. Okay, first of all we will apply the heat. Be very careful when we apply the heat here, because sometimes it will be damage the screen. If you see, the screen works, but you need to be very careful in the moment that we apply the heat here. The screen is very broken, like the digitizer is very broken, and is very hard to take it apart. We will try to make it like as clean as we can. Where the screen is has only one line cracked, or let's say couple, but not like shattered, it's very easy to take it out of the glass. It's very easy. But where is like this condition is very hard. On the corner is too much damage, the screen is shattered and it's very hard to replace it, but we will try our best to take it out those small glasses as much as we can. It's very important to have this screen like with screen protector, because the iPad 9, this is iPad 9, the iPad 9 LCD is a little expensive. Digitizer is not too much expensive, but the LCD is expensive. We apply heat around the edges, and carefully with these tools we will push a little bit like that to open the space of the screen, open the space of the glue that is underneath the screen. Okay, now we will do it from another side. Here. Here at the home button, very gentle, because the home button is underneath and sometimes the cable might be damaged inside, might be ripped it. Okay, we'll take it out all the ways. Okay, now we'll apply heat again. Okay, now we open the device. We will clean up the side and let's see the screen if it works. Yeah, we save the screen. Let me turn it off. Like if you can see, like this is the original screen by Apple, and if you can see right now, it still works in this condition. It's very amazing that you can see how what condition is right now and still work. Look, like it's in a bad condition and still works. Now we need to clean the glasses. Let me take a trash here that we can put it the glasses on the trash. Okay, we will apply a little bit more heat here, then we can take out those glasses that are stuck in the glue, it's not the glue but it's like a tape, original tape by Apple. You can see that I take it out. Yeah, and we can still do it here at the home button carefully for not damage the home button. Okay, now we'll do it the same size, same things in another side. Should be here. Okay, we can throw away those glasses. And clean more. Okay, now we need to cut the cable of the digitizer. We need to cut this cable here. Okay, and we can take it out the digitizer like that. It's very strong. Here you go. Here you go. This is a damaged one, old one. We take it out, and here you go. And now we need to clean the tablet and put the new digitizer. First of all, let's clean a little bit the surface of the table. Any glasses that those need to be trashed. I use this tape because I like to clean the surface with a tape like that. It will take it out all glasses or any kind of dust or something that will be on the table. It's very sufficient. Okay, everything looks good and cleaning, and now we will move forward and clean the surface of the tablet, and after that we will try to clean and put the glue on the tablet and put the new screen. Okay, let's bring the tablet again here. Here we go. We'll put this one underneath for not moved. Okay. Now we need to clean the screen from the glasses. Let's use another tape here. With the tape you can take it out on the fingerprint where you touch the screen, the LCD with the fingers. Sometimes fingerprint will stay on the LCD and you can try to clean it, but it's very hard to take it out. It will be much worse where you clean, but where you use the tape, the fingerprint goes away. We will make another video next time how to take it out, the fingerprint from the screen. Okay, it looks shiny right now and clean. We'll take some glasses that are stuck here. Okay, this device, it cost around 230, 250 to 300 maximum, depending on the condition, but is working fine, is better, like accept any apps that are on the App Store, and it's better to repair than buy another one. The cost of the repair is depend where you repair, but it's not expensive compared to buy another tablet. And so when you buy another tablet, you do have backup everything in cloud or in iCloud, but sometimes where you try to restore, you receive the data, your personal data, but you don't receive the data that are stored on the apps. For example, if you have, let's say, a Facebook that is that have like a password saved on the device, and where you open you don't need to put the password. In the moment that you restore from the iCloud, the Facebook will not remember the same that was in the device before. Like, they will ask you to log in, and after you can access the app. It's the same with other apps. If you have, let's say, Uber, and you have all your trips are saved on your account, and where you upgrade the device, you needed to access your trip, like on the, let's say, on the history. But where you download the Uber and you put your initials to log in, like, username and password, everything that you have it done, let's say everything that you have it in the old device, you don't have it in the new device, like, because the data are recorded in that device. That's why we suggest, like, if the device is repairable, better is to repair the device than buy another one, because if you buy another one, you will have a lot of stress transferring the files, start from the beginner to to access the data and such and more, you know. It's very difficult, and it's like time. Like you don't need to waste time where you can repair the device, and after that you can protect the device either with screen protector or case or insurance, etc, etc. Okay, we cleaned the screen and the tablet. Now we need to remove some glasses that are on the home button or fingerprint. We can do it like that. Okay, we cleaned the fingerprint or the home button. Everything looks good here. Okay, and now we need to remove those screws that are here, 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 and here. We can use the Phillips tools, the X one. And again, the screws need to remember how we taken, because we need to add in the same position. One of those screws is bigger than others. Yeah, we can leave it like that, and we know how to put it back. Okay, this is the screen, and we need to remove the screen. Here are 3 screws back on the screen that we need to take it out. Those screws are the same size, doesn't matter which one you take it, are the same, and you can put it back in the same place or different place, but are the same size. Okay, we need to take it out the battery. In the moment that we put the new digitizer, batteries that the battery need to be disconnected for prevent any short. Okay, let's grab the screen and we will put the new screen. Okay, we have the screen here, we have a digitizer, and we will remove those those here, because the tape is underneath and we need to take it out. First of all, we can take it out this plastic here. Like that. And after, we can remove those tape, like and here, another side. Now we can remove the screen tape or the screen protector from the inside. Okay, perfect. Now we can install the digitizer. Okay. Now we will add those screws back to the screen, like to keep the flex cable of the digitizer and the screen connected with the motherboard. Like, this plate is very important to keep the flex cable connected to the motherboard, and sometimes where the device shake or dropped in the floor, if the plate is not there, the screen will be, the flex cable of the screen, it will be loose, and the device will not have the screen, like the screen will go. Okay, now we will put it back, the screws of the screen. Four screws of the screen that we take it out before, we will put it here. Let me apply a little bit of glue on this surface, on the where the home button will be attached on the screen, on the digitizer. And we will apply a little bit glue on the side where the flex cable of the digitizer is located, because it will be a little bit open, because the cable are there and will be push the screen up. We apply the glue over there, that the glue is very strong and will keep it very, it will be dry very quick, and will keep it connected with the screen with the frame. Let's put the home button in place. Okay, everything looks good. The home button, sometimes it loose, but you need to be careful here. You need to test it before you close it. It works. And now works perfect. We can close it right now and hold it for about 20-30 minutes, that the glue, the glue and the tape around need to be dry, and the customer will be very happy with a brand new digitizer. Yeah. This video is done. Thank you guys for watching this video. Please like and subscribe this channel, and we will make another video next time. Thank you.